everybody, and thank you for tuning in today to the first online event held by TRIOPTICS with the title Becoming More Efficient and Increasing Imaging Performance of Doublets. We say yes. Strategies for Active Alignment of Lenses. My name is Fabio Aldo Kraft and I will be your host tonight. So what might be a good approach to do this?
Maybe before talking about approach, we have to discuss a little bit about what really drives us in developing something new. This machine also is it's an opticentric system equipped with a unit for the automated alignment of doublets, and this automated alignment unit basically consists of an XY piezo table.
I say thank you for watching today. I hope I will see you in June, and have a good day or a good night from wherever you're watching. Patrick and I say goodbye.